I am now at Naggar. Yesterday I left from GB around 12 past. Took me about 3.5 hours to get to this place. There are some rough patches on the way, but you're not gonna have any issues if you have a two-wheel drive. So this is my room. I'll show you around a bit. Sorry about the mess. ये मेरा होम स्टे है for the next 4 days. Staying in this room. It's on the first floor. You get a queen bed. TV वगैरह सच कुछ नहीं है. There's the washroom. So nothing fancy. इस जगह में आपको गीज़र वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा because they have a solar heating system which is also quite okay-ish. So you're not going to have any issues of running out of hot water. बाकी मैं थोड़ा सा मार्केट में जाऊंगा ऊपर, तो थोड़ा सा आपको मार्केट दिखा देता हूँ कि नागर की मार्केट कैसी है. ये जो जगह है इट्स नॉट एन ऑफ बीट लोकेशन. यहाँ पे काफ़ी क्राउड है, तो you're gonna see a lot of people walking in and about. So if you're heading towards Keelong and Jispa Pass, so this location is a really good location. It acts like your pit stop. तो आपको 1-2 दिन का यहाँ पे रेस्ट मिल जाता है. तो then I'll be going forward to Jispa, Keelong, Spiti and Leh. तो चलो मैं आपको ऊपर लेके जाता हूँ. Alright, so my resort is that way, about a couple of steps. I'm now heading to the local cafe. There's small alleyway with traditional houses. You see the snow-capped mountains. The walk up to the shops isn't that much, but again there is some sort of trekking involved. I think this is a local temple and they have some sort of morning rituals. That's the castle, by the way. The Naggar castle. This road heads down to the main road. So you have a lot of alleyways. It's just not one alleyway. There are a couple of other alleyways as well. I think this is another traditional heritage house. There are kids screaming about. The views of the valley are absolutely mesmerizing. Getting down isn't the issue, it's coming back up again. So I'm gonna head down. It's gonna take me about 5-10 minutes. Once I get to the cafe, I'll show you the main market, what it looks like. Kind of give you an idea as to what to expect if you ever decide to come to Naggar. So this is the main market. I'm gonna head into this cafe.